Hello and welcome again. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a 2D light. It is very easy. Uh, just go to the window here, go to Package Manager, go find the Universal Render Pipeline and install it. And later, go to the Create or Let's create a new render pipeline. Select the Universal Render Pipeline just like this. Let's call it URP, call it whatever you want, just to remember so. And also, let's create another renderer. Let's call it now 2D renderer. And oops, 2D renderer. And here in the URP, we have some settings here. You literally have nothing to do with them, at least at the beginning. And now on the general, we have some list or some rendering list. Hit create or plus and drag this 2D renderer to the slot. And we already almost finished. Go to the edit, go to the project settings and go to the graphics, and you're gonna find this slot empty here. So this is the last step in this video. You can leave now if you want to. Everything is good. Yeah, and voila, we're having a 2D rendering material, sort of, because you have to set this as the default. You see, if you left, you are not going to see this. So as you can see now, after I dragged this character, we don't have light on it. It is using the same rendering pipeline, but now without light. And when we're going to select light, we're going to find light here, and here is the magic. It is now working. Voila, you have your own 2D light for your project. I don't know what you want to do with this light. It is really fun to experiment with it. You can do whatever you want. You can change the color. So this is all I have to do. All I have to say with you can do anything you want. That's all. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I I get you the message. I don't know what to say. Just if you got the message, like the video, I'm going to appreciate it. So have a good day.